this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a braid out. I'm doing braids only because I need to trim my hair because my ends are quite frizzy of late. So I thought I should do a two-in-one kind of video because I have a method to trimming my hair. I first install braids, then that's when I trim. Okay, I know most of you are going to come for me, but it's a method that's been working for me, so I've done it for quite a long time. Ever since I went natural, just to be honest with you guys. There's no magic to it, I don't know. And it's even worse because I don't even use the right pair of scissors. I literally use office scissors, you guys. Legit. I don't know. I feel like for as long as the scissors are sharp and you know what you're doing, then knock yourself out. Anyways, so I'm just going to install quick braids. Normally I section my hair into 6 or 4 parts, just depending on my mood, but since I have a lot of frizz, I think I'll section it into 6 parts just so I can get all the ends. I feel like it allows me to detangle my hair properly and to moisturize it as well. So by the time I'm actually trimming my hair, I'm just trimming the weak ends, you know. So all I'm going to be using is leave-in conditioner, oil, my concoction, and I think I'm going to be applying this cream. You know what? As much as when I was doing the bantu knots, it kind of let me down because it took quite long to dry. I feel like that's the most moisturized my hair has ever been. Like, you guys, I didn't even have to use any more oils or cream after removing the bantu knots because my hair had so much moisture to the point of I was wearing it as a wash and go, but it was so soft. So I think I'm going to use this cream for the braid outs, but I'm going to apply less than I did before. So anyways, oops, okay, let's get to it. So all you have to do is this section your hair whichever way you prefer it, and my hair is freshly washed, so it's still kind of damp. Then we are just going to do a braid, a normal braid. So once you've reached this point, you want to get all the way to the end so that you can just see the weak points of your hair, I guess, the weak ends. And you're done. This hairstyle takes only about half an hour to 45 minutes, depending on how many braids you put in. And since I trim my hair after every 4 months, I don't cut into the, because I'd also like to retain the length of my hair. Plus, you guys, office scissors, but they're quite sharp. If you guys have access to professional scissors, you better use them. Anyways, so what I normally do is I just stretch out the hair like so. Then I can kind of tell where I need to cut, because you can see the weak strands poking out. Just be careful when you're doing this so that you don't end up cutting your hair. Plus, I normally try to trim all of them evenly so that when I undo my hair, I actually have even hair all around. You get? I'm just going to demonstrate to you guys. Maybe I should do this. I'm losing a lot of hair today because right there. See, this is the amount to cut off. I don't know if you guys can see. It's quite small, but it's quite big. So I try to get the exact same length on the other side. By the way, if you can't do this by yourself, just go to the salon. You know, I've been doing this ever since I transitioned and I've never had a problem with it. But I'm very precise. I'm very precise on how I cut them so that my hair appears even at the end of it all. Right there. I'm crying. See, almost the same length. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know. Plus, make sure you detangle your hair and you stretch it out while you're braiding, because it will just help you to get all the ends, you know, all the ends out, so that when you're trimming, you're actually trimming the dead hair, not the healthy hair. So there. See, kind of the same. It's okay, hair grows back, so don't be afraid to cut your hair. In fact, if anything, your hair grows out more healthy, you have less tangles, you have less frizz, so even your hairstyles tend to pop, you know. Let's see. That's a big one. They're all kind of the same length. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. So once you're done doing that, just finger coil the ends. I normally stretch out the braids so that they dry when they're long. I don't know how to explain it. So that they dry when they're long. So I just take this, I stretch it all the way into the next one. Then I put a pin. Then the ends, I just crisscross them. So to the other end, stretch all the way to the other end, like so. Then you put a pin. Like so. So now when your hair is drying, it will end up drying with more length to it.
That's all.